Hello. So in this video, we're trying to solve an equation that uses the compound angle formula. So in this one here, it says solve in the interval of 0 to 360 degrees. This thing here, that tan of theta plus 45 plus 2 tan theta equals 1. And we need to give our answers to 2 decimal places. So the issue with this is we can't really solve it because here we have a tan theta and here we have a tan of theta plus 45. So we can't even factorize anything, or there's no way for us to find our solutions. Instead, because there's one angle plus another one inside the tan function, we're going to have to use a compound angle formula. So the first thing we want to do is write down what that formula is. And that's what I've done here. And then we just apply that. Instead of writing this, we'd write all of this stuff. And I suppose it's helpful. Basically, we want to think of this here as the A, and this here is B. So A is theta, B is 45. So when I actually write all that out, instead of writing this bit at the beginning, I'm going to have tan of A, which in our case is theta, plus tan of 45, because that's our B. And we're going to divide all of that by 1 minus tan theta tan 45. Yeah, so we replaced this with all of that. Then the 2 tan theta, we can't really do anything with that, that's fine. And that's all going to equal 1. That's great. So now we can simplify it down a bit. So tan 45 is equal to 1. Yeah, so you can put this in the calculator, or it's one of the ones that you kind of meant to memorize, but you don't really need to memorize them because you have a calculator. So if we apply that to here, on the top, I have tan of theta plus 1. And on the bottom, we have 1 minus tan theta times 1, so just tan theta. And then the rest of it doesn't really change. We still have plus 2 tan theta, and that's still going to be equal to 1. Okay, so a bit simpler now, and now we've only got tans. Yeah, that's pretty good. We've just got tan thetas. So to simplify this, though, I want to basically get rid of this fraction. Fractions are always a pain, so I'm going to multiply every single term by 1 minus tan theta. And that means that over here, I will just have tan theta plus 1. Over here, actually I'm just going to make that a bit closer, otherwise I'll run out of space. I'm going to have my 2 tan theta multiplied by my 1 minus tan theta. And that's going to equal over the right one set of this, so just 1 minus tan theta. Cool. Now, I could bring everything to the same side, or I can expand this first. We could probably do both in one go, really. So we've got tan theta, this one, plus this 1, plus, and then 2 tan theta times 1 is 2 tan theta. 2 tan theta times minus tan theta is minus 2 tan squared theta. And I'm going to take away the 1, so it's on this side, and I'm going to add the tan, so it's on this side as well. So everything is on the left. Okay, so now we've got everything there. Now we just need to simplify it all down. So I like to put my squares first. So I'm just going to write the minus 2 tan squared theta first. Then I got 1 tan theta, 2 more tan thetas, and another tan theta. So in total, I've got 4 tan thetas. And I've got a 1 here and minus 1 here, so they cancel out. I actually don't have any integers. That's going to equal 0. So now looking much more simple. And now to find out what my solutions are, I need to factorize it first. So I'm going to take out a common factor of minus 2 tan theta. And in the brackets, I'll just have a tan theta plus 4. Now it equals 0. Nope, sorry. A mistake there. Minus 2. If I've taken out a minus 2 factor from this 4, I only have minus 2 left inside. My bad, sorry. So what we've got from this is tan theta is either 0, that's the solution I get from here. So tan theta is either 0, or from this bit, tan theta is 2. So I can put those both into my calculator. This one would say that theta equals, let me just do it. So my calculator needs to be, let's check what we're working with, degrees, working with degrees here. So for calculate of degrees and do 10 to the minus 1 of 0, that's just 0. And if we put 10 to the minus 1 of 2, that gives me 63.43 degrees. Okay. So the last thing we need to do is remember that if it's a tan graph, it's the same, it repeats every 180 degrees. So if I'm looking for a range of 0 to 360, then I'm going to have more solutions when I've added 180 to each of these. So 0 add 180 is 180. There would be another solution at 360, but you got to double check. Oh, and this one does go up to 360 and include it actually. So fair. That'd be another one there, 360. I thought it was only less than 360. You've got 3 there. And then for this one as well, I should put a little degree symbol on all these. We can add 180 to this answer. And we get 243.43 degrees. And that's it. We have our 5 solutions. And that's all we're going to do. So hope that's all made sense. If you have any questions about any of that, then let us know down in the FAQ. Otherwise, have a go at the MCQs at the end of the topic. You just got to do a lot of practice on this. That's the best way to get better. And I'll see you in the next video.